humble holder here. I'm going to show you a quick way to stay on the right side of the market and look where Bitcoin could potentially bounce when we're trending up. This is simple. I wouldn't say a strategy, but I guess just a forecast of what could potentially happen. So we're going to start here. We'll go from the bottom of the move. You're going to go through your trend extension here, trend-based fib extension. You're going to put your magnet on here. You put strong. Go to the bottom of the move, to the next top of the move, to the bottom of the move, right? And here you can see that it respected the 1272, but I've been looking at the chart on Bitcoin, and it's really, when it finds support here, it usually makes a move up, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so keep in mind the 3618 here. Yeah. I'm gonna go here. Where's the next low? Be right here. Low to the high of the move, to the low of the move. And here we go. I held here too. Okay. But look how it respects the phase, right? This one pulled back to the 2. Okay. Remember the 3618, right? Yes, right here. Go here to here. This one came back to the 1. And there was some movement here. And it came to this 2618, right? But I held above. Well, I broke down and then went back up here. Right? Okay, let's look at the next one. The move would be here, the low. The high here. The low before the move. Came back to the 168, 618. And right now it's holding above here, right? So in my opinion, we have to hold here. If not, we're coming back down to one of these areas. Okay, but let's look at this next move here. Low here to the top there, so low here. Look where it's at. So like I said before, there's a lot of action in these areas, right? So if Bitcoin wasn't a hold here and it actually dumped, you'd be looking at here 98k, 92k, 89k, and a really deep retrace would be here 79k. So anybody that tells you if Bitcoin dumps below a certain price is just really, they're using fibs. But I mean, nothing, how they say a bull market is confirmed if it drops below this price. That's all bullshit, because the market is ran by algos, and these are the areas that you want to look for. So far, the entire market, when it pulls back, it holds the 3618, and then it rips back up, right? So the next moves, see, like these would be your targets, right? If you were to buy here, let's say, you would sell here. Those are your, if you're a trader, right? If you're a swing trader. If you're a holder, then this doesn't really matter to you. So let's just wait and see, right? If this is the actual low, you'd measure from here to here, right? We could even just wait. Maybe this would be the low of this move actually. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos on trading and just in the crypto market as a whole. I mean, we could go sideways here for a while before we actually move up. Just let's say you consolidate, right? Blah 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 here. Come back, sweep this low here. Come back to support here, and then blast off, right? If you were to do that, you would wait. Use this bottom here. Let's just say, for example, we go here. If it moves above here, and then another lower high or a higher low, sorry, maybe something like around here, right? But this is just all speculation, all hypothetical, right? Let's just wait and see if this was the low, and then it marks a higher low. Then we can measure the move from there, right? But you really want Bitcoin to hold this, in my opinion. If not, we will go in one of these areas. We could even just sweep it down. Just everybody will think it's a bear again, and then Bitcoin will do Bitcoin things and just shoot back up. If we're really in a bear market, well, you can watch these areas here. Even in bear markets, you'll get sharp pumps to the upside as well, right? So you can make money off those moves. Just use this fib for targets. That's all I'm saying, right? And you can use these areas to buy retrace. I suggest not using leverage. Just buy spot. You could just ladder your buys here. If you actually believe in Bitcoin, you know where it's going. It's most likely going to hit $1 million. Once more people enter the market and more institutions, more Michael Saylor types will push up the market, more countries as well. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video on that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any requests, just comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Thank you guys.